With the trend in GoPros and action cameras increasing a lot, where people want to document every single bit of their ride and adventure, here's something that you can absolutely enjoy while not breaking the bank and also while saving the front of your helmet while not making it really ugly. You know the fact that 3M produces GoPro stickers which are available in the box, and they tend up really not being that strong and end up people putting a lot of things like putty or probably M-seal and making it look very ugly. Fortunately, we at HTRZ Mods have the perfect thing for you guys. Well, this is our brand new Ritex action camera mount, and this is absolutely beautiful, and what a genius of a mind to have thought of splitting the whole thing into two different parts. Like, if I have to show you, this is the way this thing works, where you put it across a helmet and this folds so that this fits with the contour of your helmet, thus not making it really ugly, and this is made of decent quality materials that will actually keep your helmet in place. To be honest, for the price that you are getting this for, this is one of the best ways to start your next motovlogging journey. Get yours now at HTRZ Mods. See ya.